Hello, good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the AI landscape and how it's evolving fast with technology. So, artificial intelligence, once just a futuristic concept, is now woven into our everyday lives, from recommendation engines to self driving cars. But what we are witnessing today is not just AI as a passive assistant. We are entering the age of agentic AI. So, agentic AI that can take actions, make decisions, and interact with the digital ecosystem almost like a human agent. Let's let's first break down in the traditional AI and the agentic AI. So traditional AI, it was learning from the data. Someone was putting in the back end side the data and it was learning from there and it was answering our queries and providing the insights. Now agentic AI goes a step further. It doesn't answer, it acts. It can book your meetings, it can configure your systems, it can execute tasks across the platforms and even learning dynamically in the real time. Let's think of it as the difference between a GPS that shows you the map, that is your traditional AI, and now a self-driving car that take you to the destination, that is your agentic AI. So this capability open enormous potential like that your autonomous customer service, automated security monitoring, and even fully autonomous industrial systems. But here comes the critical question: if AI systems are becoming agent, who ensure they act safely? This is where cybersecurity steps in. So, with AI making autonomous decisions, the attack surface expands dramatically. Like that, your prompt injection attacks that can manipulate how an AI agent behave, data poisoning that can craft the knowledge-based systems where the agent is learning from, autonomous misuse as well. Imagine an agent with privileged access being tricked into exfiltrating sensitive data or opening the back doors. So, how do we secure this new era of agentic AI? We need to think beyond traditional firewalls and the antivirus, like that secure your AI pipelines. So we need to protect the training data, models, AI models, and prompts from the tampering with AI agents' real-time behavior as well. Zero trust for the AI. We need to also understand the AI-based regulations and the frameworks. So most importantly, security professionals must work hand in hand with AI developers to embed cybersecurity in the DNA of these systems. So, my dear friend, AI is not just another step in technology, it's a leap. It can transform industries, and it's already started. It's saving the lives, it's reshaping how we are working. But without strong cybersecurity, the same power that enables progress can be turned against us. So our responsibility is clear: to secure AI and to secure with AI. The future will not just belong to those who use AI, but to those who trust it safely. Now, see over how routers and firewall have been backbone of networks for the decades, but the landscape is evolving fast with your cloud native networking, AI driven security, and software defined architecture. So while nothing is going to make routers vanish all night, since the packets will need to be routed, their form and SFTs are shifting. Like that your SASE is combining the network and the security into our cloud delivered services. SD-WAN appliances, they already replaced a bunch of the routers. Now the new vendors are integrating next generation firewalls, IPS, DLP, zero trust controls inside the SD-WAN appliances, SD-WAN devices. In cloud data centers, routers are less visible. Instead of workloads tracked via VPC, VNet plus cloud firewalls. So with agentic AI, future systems are dynamically create and enforce routing plus firewall policies on demand. You can say that instead of static routes, firewall, AI agent could spin up secure tunnels between the workloads, reroute traffic if anomalies are detected, and apply security contextually per user, per session, per applications. This could blur the line where router is no longer a device but an adaptive AI-driven network function. Same like that in telecom companies. Telecom companies are embedding routing plus firewall in their 5G core. You see the multi-access as computing there. So understand how this multi-access edge computing is working. You can utilize the IBM SDK, it's open source. How Mac is working. It's advanced computing. After the agentic AI,